What's happening with YouTube? I'm about to go work on the cut dog. I gotta go ahead and hook up these speakers. 6x9s in the back. And I think I need to clean up the wires that's in the front as well. So we're gonna do that. So yeah, so we just got it started. I'm about to go ahead and turn it around. So man, we got it started up on the first try. And that's about the first time that happened in a minute. I already put the ones in the front. But now I gotta do the ones. I gotta put the 6x9s in there. So I got but go ahead and take these out. This is what I'm pulling out. So yeah, so this is the speaker that I'm pulling out. So as you can see that there's a little bitty cone. And in tune, we'll be replacing it with this one. That's a pretty significant size difference, I would say. I hope you can see that pretty good. If not, then it is what it is. But yeah, so we're getting rid of this, throwing this in there. But I am gonna go ahead and fix this, because this is not what I want. So we're gonna do this the right way. And I'll turn y'all back on once I get that connected right. So now I hope you can see that I fixed that wire. Yeah. And these are only temporary fixes, FYI, so we're gonna roll with the temporary fix for right now. But for right now, I just want to get these wires up in here. Feel me? I probably need to get, yeah. See if we got both of them hooked up. Grab the glass. Should have both of them hooked up now. Let's see. Might be in good shape. So now that I got the speakers in there, you can look and see what I've done.
If they have yet to subscribe, I'ma help make a decision. We got mad people interested. Who else they gon' watch? Where they minds pay more attention than the ones who came to visit? Got supporters left and right. From Killer Cat, don't speak, that's why you was wild. I suggest you be respectful on the panel. Everybody ain't able, but we show love on this channel.
What up, Rio? Third World, what's up? How y'all doing?
His level is
time back.
You gonna like these. Ooh, sneakers. I saw it on the site, so I went and grabbed it. I don't see how people do it. I can't stand selling shit. From where we come from, man, you wasn't able to get things that you see like big time as good.
I know those kids, they look like they might be good.
After fun and everything, the shoes is always
Go ahead and turn this thing around, put it back in the garage.
Trade their vision. If they have yet to subscribe, I'ma help make a decision. We got mad people interested. Who else they gon' watch? Where they minds pay more attention than the ones who came to visit? Got supporters left and right. from Killer Cat, Dope Speed, best swagger as well. I suggest you be respectful on the panel. Everybody ain't it, but we show love on this channel.
Like, comment, subscribe, man. Let me know what you like.